Let's see the BMW 45mm wheel spacers before and after. After installing the 45mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tires and the fender. This improves the cosmetics and stability. Most BMW G22 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires are flush with the fender. Consider a proper set of 45mm wheel spacers if you are trying to achieve a unique sport look. 45mm wheel spacers will add about 45mm back spacing for your wheels, whether you are upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes. Getting the back spacing correct will eliminate most friction problems. If you add 45mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds up to a total of 90mm track width. You don't have to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 45mm spacers. If you are concerned that the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacers comes with a half-century lip to transition. The protrusion may extend a few millimeters beyond the half-century lips of the wheel spacers on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use bonus half-century 45mm wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 45mm wheel spacers, there is no problem. The precision of the bonus 45mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. Precise 45mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 45mm wheel spacers fit perfectly on the BMW G22. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, unlike these outstands. Remember to install the same size of wheel spacers on wheels as well. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.